Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. Engage your core. 1. 2. Inhale. 3. Exhaling down. Stay. From here, you may either keep the palms on the floor in front of your legs. अगर आपका hamstring tight है, then keep the palms on the blocks or on the floor. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, and push your right foot behind. Come into Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Right elbow over your left knee. Lock your palms and twist. Stay. Come back. Palms on the floor. Parshva Uttanasana. So now straighten your both the legs. Try to bring your chest on the thigh, forehead on the shin. Stay. Now bring your right palm in front of the right foot, and turn your left foot out. हाथ को उठाओ. Look up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come back. Walk and come to the center. Turn your right foot in. Legs are straight. Palms on the floor. Raise your right hand up. Look up. Down. Change. Other side. Down. Prasarita Padottanasana. If you can, hold your big toes. Right hand, right big toe. Left hand, left big toe. Try to touch your crown to the floor. Otherwise, keep going down as much as you can. Stay. And come up. Go to the other side. Now keep your right foot there and turn your left foot out. Bring your left palm in front. Raise your right hand up. Look up. Breathe. And come back. Turn your right foot slightly in. Parshva Uttana on the other side. Come back. Ashwa Sanchalan. Twist. So bring your right elbow on the left knee and twist. Turn. Look behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come back. Get ready for lifting of the leg up. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come back. Legs together. Hold your ankle joints, keeping the leg straight. Tuck your head inside as much as you can. Slowly get into plank. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Elbow plank. Stay. Very gently go down on the floor on your chest. Legs apart. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Look in front. Slowly come down. शलभ आसन. दोनों हाथ को अपने बॉडी के नीचे लॉक योर फिंगर्स. चिन ऑन द फ्लोर. एल्बोज को जितना हो सके उतना अंदर दबा दो. इनहेल. लिफ्ट योर बोथ द लेग्स अप. डाउन. शशांकासन. Very gently. Downward facing dog. Stretch nicely. And walk into Paschimottanasana. So you walk and sit down, or you jump and sit down. Paschimottanasana. Inhale up. Exhale. Come back. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Fold your left leg. Bring your right foot over your left. Press your knee. Hold your ankle and twist. Come back, change. Other side. Lie down on your back. Fold your legs. Heels touching your buttocks. Hold your ankles. Inhale. Push your feet into the ground and lift your thighs up, pelvic up. Diaphragmatic breathing. विपरीत करनी और get into सर्वांगासन. हलासन. Very gently come back. Thighs to the chest. Roll your spine side to side. Very gently come back, relax.